Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting video for all you college students out there. We're going to discuss 7 high-paying part-time jobs that can help you earn around $300 a day while still managing your studies. So, if you're ready to boost your income, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. Part-time job number 1, freelancing. With platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, you can offer your skills in writing, graphic design, coding, or video editing. Freelancers can easily earn $20 to $30 per hour, and if you work a few hours a day, you can reach that $300 target. Part-time job number 2, food delivery. Another great gig for college students is food delivery. Companies like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub offer flexible schedules, and you can make around $15 to $25 per hour including tips. So, why not make money while enjoying a leisurely bike ride? Part-time job number 3, virtual tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, consider becoming a virtual tutor. You can tutor peers or even high school students. Websites like Chegg Tutors or Wezant offer decent pay, and it's a rewarding way to share your knowledge. Part-time job number 4, social media management. Are you a social media guru? Many small businesses are looking for social media managers. You can help them create content, schedule posts, and engage with their audience. With the right clients, you could earn a solid income from this part-time gig. Part-time job number 5, content creation. If you're creative and enjoy making videos or writing blog posts, content creation might be for you. Platforms like YouTube or blogging can generate income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It might take some time to build an audience, but it's a fun way to make money. Part-time job number 6, pet sitting or dog walking. For all you animal lovers, consider pet sitting or dog walking. Apps like Rover or Wag connect pet owners with caregivers. You can earn $20 to $30 per walk or sitting. It's a great way to spend time with furry friends and earn some extra cash. Part-time job number 7, gig economy jobs. Finally, the gig economy offers various opportunities. You can sign up as a TaskRabbit, a handyman, or a gig walker to complete small tasks and errands for people in your area. The flexibility and range of tasks make it a versatile option. Let's talk about conclusion. There you have it, 7 high-paying part-time jobs for college students to help you earn around $300 a day. Remember, it's essential to balance work with your studies and personal life. Explore your options and find the right fit for your skills and schedule. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow students. And, of course, subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your part-time job search.